Want smooth hair-free skin? Imagine the feeling of running your hands over your legs and arms feeling nothing but silky smoothness. It's a sensation that many of us crave, especially as the warmer months approach and we start to show more skin. But achieving that level of smoothness can often feel like a chore, especially if you're relying on shaving, which can leave behind stubble and irritation. Waxing is a great option. It removes hair from the root, which means you can enjoy smooth skin for weeks, not just days. Plus, with regular waxing, hair grows back finer and sparser over time. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want long-lasting results without the daily hassle of shaving. Many people go to salons for waxing. Salons offer professional services, and the aestheticians are trained to make the process as quick and painless as possible. The environment is designed to be relaxing, and you can trust that the products used are of high quality. However, salon visits can be expensive and time-consuming. You have to book an appointment, travel to the salon, and then wait for your turn. But you can wax at home. At home, waxing kits have come a long way in recent years. They are now more user-friendly and effective than ever before. With a little practice, you can achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Plus, you have the flexibility to wax whenever it suits you without having to work around a salon schedule. It's easier than you think. Many at-home waxing kits come with detailed instructions and all the tools you need to get started. Some even include pre-waxing and post-waxing treatments to help prepare your skin and soothe it afterward. With a bit of patience and practice, you'll find that at-home waxing can be a simple and rewarding process. At-home waxing saves you money. It's also more convenient. Think about the cost of regular salon visits. It can add up quickly. By investing. No need to book appointments. One of the biggest advantages of at-home waxing is the flexibility it offers. You don't have to plan your day around a salon visit. Instead, you can wax whenever you have a free moment. This is especially beneficial for those with busy lifestyles or unpredictable schedules. Wax whenever you want in the comfort of your home. Imagine being able to relax on your couch, watch your favorite show, and wax at the same time. At-home waxing allows you to create a comfortable and stress-free environment. You can take your time and ensure that you are thorough without feeling rushed. At-home waxing gives you control. You choose the wax. You control the process. There are many different types of wax available, from hard wax to soft wax and even sugar wax. Each type has its own benefits, and you can experiment to find the one that works best for your skin and hair type. You also have control over the temperature of the wax and the areas you want to focus on. This can be more comfortable, especially for sensitive areas. Some people find that they are more comfortable waxing sensitive areas like the bikini line or underarms at home. You can take your time and use techniques that minimize discomfort. Plus, you can ensure that the wax is at the perfect temperature and consistency for your needs. Ready to ditch the salon? If you're tired of the hassle and expensive salon visits, at-home waxing could be the perfect solution for you. It's a convenient, cost-effective, and empowering way to achieve smooth, air-free skin. Let's learn how to wax at home like a pro. In the next segment, we'll walk you through the steps of at-home waxing, from preparing your skin to applying the wax and removing it effectively. With our tips and tricks, you'll be able to achieve salon-quality results in no time. Salon waxing can be expensive. At-home waxing is budget-friendly. You only pay for the wax and supplies. These last for multiple sessions. Think about the convenience. No need to travel to a salon. Wax at your own pace in your own time. Late at night? No problem. Many find at-home waxing more comfortable. You can take breaks when needed. You control the temperature of the wax. At-home waxing is empowering. You are in charge of your beauty routine. You can buy ready-made wax. These products are designed for convenience and ease of use, making them a popular choice for many. They come in various forms such as strips, beads, and jars, each catering to different preferences and needs. Ready-made waxes are often formulated with additional ingredients to soothe the skin and reduce irritation, making the waxing process more comfortable. They are perfect for those who are new to waxing or prefer a quick and hassle-free solution, or try making your own natural wax at home. Sugar wax is popular. This method has been used for centuries and is known for being gentle on the skin. Making sugar wax at home allows you to control the ingredients, ensuring that you avoid any harsh chemicals or additives. Plus, it's an affordable and eco-friendly option. The process is simple and requires just a few common kitchen ingredients. It's just sugar, lemon juice, and water. These natural ingredients work together to create a sticky substance that can effectively remove hair from the root. The acidity of the lemon juice helps to effectively remove hair from the root. The acidity of the lemon juice helps to break down the sugar, creating a smooth and pliable wax. This mixture is not only effective but also gentle on the skin, reducing the risk of irritation and allergic reactions. Heat it until it turns golden brown. This step is crucial as it ensures that the sugar has melted completely and the mixture has reached the right consistency. Stir continuously to prevent burning and to achieve a uniform texture. The golden brown color indicates that the wax is ready to be used. Be patient and keep an eye on the mixture to avoid overcooking. Let it cool before applying. Cooling the wax is essential to prevent burns and ensure a comfortable application. Test the temperature by applying a small amount to your wrist. The wax should be warm but not hot. Once it has cooled to a safe temperature, you can begin the waxing process. Apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth, then quickly pull it off in the opposite direction. Honey wax is another option. This type of wax is known for its moisturizing properties, making it an excellent choice for those with dry or sensitive skin. Honey wax is also easy to make at home and provides a natural alternative to commercial waxes. The addition of honey not only helps to bind the ingredients together, but also adds a soothing element to the waxing process. Combine honey, sugar, and lemon juice. Heat until it thickens. The process is similar to making sugar wax, but the honey adds an extra layer of nourishment for the skin. As the mixture heats, it will begin to thicken and take on a rich amber color. Stir continuously to ensure that all the ingredients are well combined and to prevent the mixture from burning. Allow it to cool slightly before use. Just like with sugar wax, it's important to let the honey wax cool to a safe temperature before applying it to your skin. Test the temperature on your wrist to ensure it's comfortable. Once cooled, apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth and remove it quickly in the opposite direction. The honey in the wax will help to soothe and moisturize your skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Ready-made wax kits are convenient. These kits are designed to provide everything you need for a successful waxing session all in one package. They often include pre-waxed strips, applicators, and soothing post-wax treatments. Ready-made kits are perfect for those who want a quick and easy solution without the hassle of making their own wax. They come with everything you need from the wax itself to applicators and soothing lotions. These kits are designed to make the waxing process as smooth and straightforward as possible. Some kits even include pre-treatment wipes to prepare your skin and post-treatment wipes to soothe and moisturize after waxing. This all-in-one approach makes ready-made kits a popular choice for busy individuals. Choose a kit based on your skin type and hair type. Different kits are formulated to address specific needs, such as sensitive skin or coarse hair. Reading the labels and selecting the right kit for your skin and hair type can make a significant difference in the effectiveness and comfort of your waxing experience. Whether you opt for a natural homemade wax or a convenient ready-made kit, the key is to find what works best for you and your skin. Prepping your skin is important. It ensures the wax adheres properly. Exfoliate your skin a day or two before waxing. This removes dead skin cells. On the day of waxing, cleanse your skin thoroughly. Avoid using any lotions or oils. These can interfere with the wax. Dust a light layer of talcum powder on the skin. This absorbs moisture and helps the wax grip the hairs. Now you're ready to wax. Section 5. Wax on, hair off, a step-by-step guide to application. In this section, we will walk you through the detailed process of applying wax at home, ensuring you achieve smooth hair-free skin with ease and confidence. Begin by heating the wax according to the instructions provided with your home waxing kit. Once the wax reaches the right consistency, apply it in the direction of hair growth. This step is crucial as it helps in minimizing discomfort and ensures that the hair is removed from the root. Use a wooden spatula to spread a thin layer of wax over the area you wish to treat. The spatula allows for precise application, ensuring that the wax covers the hair evenly. A thin layer is sufficient to grip the hair without causing excessive pain. Next, take a waxing strip and press it down firmly onto the waxed area. Holding your skin taut with one hand while applying the strip with the other helps in reducing the pain and makes the hair removal process more effective. Once the strip is securely in place, it's time to remove it. Pull off the strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. This technique ensures that the hair is pulled out from the root, giving you longer-lasting results. Do it quickly and in one swift motion. A quick pull reduces the discomfort and prevents the wax from sticking too much to the skin, which can cause irritation. Repeat these steps for all areas you want to wax. Make sure to reapply the wax and use a new strip for each section to maintain hygiene and effectiveness. Remember to work in small sections. This approach allows you to manage the process better and ensures that you don't miss any spots. Smaller sections are easier to handle and less painful to wax. This makes the process more manageable and less overwhelming. After completing the waxing, take a moment to admire your smooth hair-free skin. Proper aftercare such as applying a soothing lotion can help in reducing any redness or irritation. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your home waxing session. With practice, you'll become more proficient, making the process quicker and more efficient each time. Enjoy your smooth skin and the confidence that comes with it. Section 6. Soothing the skin post-wax care for a happy skin. After waxing, your skin might be a little sensitive. That's normal. Apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel. This helps calm the skin. Avoid hot showers or baths for a few hours. The heat can irritate your freshly waxed skin. Pat your skin dry instead of rubbing. Exfoliate again a few days after waxing. This helps prevent ingrown hairs. Enjoy your smooth hair-free skin. Section 7. Tips and tricks for waxing newbies. New to waxing? Don't worry. Start with a small area of your skin. This lets you get used to the feeling. Always do a patch test before waxing a large area. This helps you see how your skin reacts to the wax. Invest in good quality waxing supplies. This makes a big difference in the results. Don't be afraid to ask for help if needed. Section 8. Troubleshooting common waxing woes. Waxing can be tricky. Common problems include pain, redness, and ingrown hairs. Apply a cold compress to reduce redness or swelling. Ingrown hairs are annoying. Exfoliate regularly to prevent them. Use a warm compress to soften the hair if you get one. Pain is normal, but it shouldn't be unbearable. If it hurts too much, stop and consult a professional. Section 9. Embrace the smoothness. Conclusion. At-home waxing is a great way to get smooth hair-free skin. It's cost-effective, convenient, and comfortable. With a little practice, you can become your own waxing expert. Remember to follow the steps carefully. Be patient and gentle with yourself. Enjoy the feeling of smooth, touchable skin. You've got this.